Hi there and welcome to the June 2021 product update for iplicit. In today's video we're going to take a look at how to check your version, where to find the release notes, and we're going to take a brief look at some of the new features and enhancements. To find out what version you're on, head to the Pulse and the version number will be displayed at the bottom of your screen. To find this month's release notes as well as the prior month's release notes, head to the iplicit Support Centre. So let's take a look at some of the highlights for June 2021 release. First, we're going to take a look at the new custom fields now available for products. Then we're going to take a look at the new feature of sales dispatch notes, making it easy to convert sales orders to dispatch notes and then into invoices. Then we're going to take a look at the new status page, which allows you to track the status of your system as well as see any of the logs for the past incidents. Next, we'll take a look at the new feature including timesheet delegations. And lastly, we're going to take a look at the enhancements to resources and defaulting currencies. So first we're going to take a look at the new custom fields for products. You can see here that you can now allocate custom fields against the product groups, which in turn feeds into products themselves to be populated. These custom fields can now be used for default posting attributes and reporting on products. Now we're going to take a look at the new sales dispatch notes. If this is set up on the document type for orders, you can now choose to dispatch the order before invoicing. The document type settings will need to be amended, so contact our support centre if you need any help with this. Next, we're going to take a look at the new status page for iplicit. In the Pulse menu, you will now see the status option, which will take you to the status webpage and display the current status of the system, as well as any past instances and also planned maintenance. Now we're going to take a look at the timesheet delegations. There is now a dedicated finder to set up delegations for timesheet entries. This means that the entry of timesheets can now be completed by anyone set up as a manager for specific resources. To create an entry for somebody other than yourself, please make sure that you go to the HR section of the system as shown here. Finally, we're going to take a look at the enhancements to resources. You can see on the Resource tab against a contact, you are now able to default currency to the resource, which in turn will then auto-populate on expenses. So let's take a look at what we've seen today. We've seen the introduction to custom fields for product groups and in-turn products. We've then taken a look at the new sales dispatch note document type and how this can be used as a step before invoicing. We've also seen the new status page for iplicit and timesheet delegations that can now be used for managers to enter timesheets on users' behalf. And lastly, we've seen how the default currency can be set against a resource. Thank you for watching the product update for June 2021. If you would like to know more, please do not hesitate to contact our support team with any questions or queries. We do now offer bite-sized training courses for any users who would like to learn more about the system, including some of the features that we've seen today. Our email address is support@iplicit.com. Thank you for watching.